Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine stepping outside to a pathway that feels like art beneath your feet. Sunlight catching on hand-glazed tiles, recycled glass shimmering like water, and every step revealing a new detail in your tiny backyard gallery. That sense of wonder. You can create it even in the smallest outdoor space. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your home for peaceful and inspiring small garden ideas. Today we're exploring Mosaic pathway ideas for Tiny Backyard 2026, unique and eye-catching design. When designing a mosaic pathway for a tiny backyard, think intention, not excess. Start with a strong concept, maybe a flowing wave, a geometric grid, or a floral motif, and choose materials that speak to you. Recycled glass for sparkle, handmade ceramics for soul, or glow-in-the-dark glass for magic after dark. Keep your palette cohesive, 3 colors max, to avoid visual noise in tight spaces. Lay your path with purpose. Gentle curves make small yards feel larger, while strategic spacing between stepping stones invites slow, mindful walking. Pair your mosaic with low, tidy plants like creeping thyme, mondo grass, or dwarf boxwood. Greenery that frames your art without hiding it. And don't forget lighting. Recessed LEDs or solar path lights will make your mosaic glow like treasure at night. Your backyard may be small, but your creativity isn't. With a little vision, your pathway can become more than a walkway. It can be your daily dose of joy, beauty, and quiet pride. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more unique, space-smart, and soul-nourishing garden inspiration all year long.